These are my ends. They needed it bad though. Like these are wow as hell.
That black girl, look at that black girl. Queen.
I keep getting on here looking crazy, but I don't care though. I don't care. My hair is all washed and whatnot. So I'm gonna get straight into this video because I've been working since I got off of work and a sister is tired. So I'm gonna show y'all how I clip my ends. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so my hair is already washed and detangled. So you'll need a comb, some clampy thingies, these or these. I mean, whichever one you prefer, and some sharp scissors. I got mine from the beauty supply. So let's get it. So I'm gonna start off in the back. Let me move these because y'all know I will cry if I cut the wrong shit. Okay, so I'm literally gonna take it in sections. This is not like a professional way or anything like that, but this is just how I do mine, and I don't cut off a lot. I just trim my ends, literally. You want to just take your 2 fingers like so. Oh, my ends are so bad, y'all. Look at that. I haven't did it in a while, and I'm not cutting all that off. So and it's like, y'all, I really don't too much care how I cut it, like if it's straight, because I don't plan on putting heat on my head no time soon. But they really needed to be cut back. So here we go. Yeah, I'm sad as hell doing it. I ain't even gonna lie. But like I said, I need it. I used to keep up with this, but I had cut my hair out from taking it down from some dreads. You know, not even dreads, but the cute little lock thingies. So we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of it. Half because it was too much for one. Yeah, that's a lot right there. So I'm gonna cut off. Like I said, it's been a while, so I'm gonna cut off a decent amount. Just before kids start going back. I won't be able to tell because I'm not really putting any heat on my hair no time soon, so that's a plus. Because I will lose it. Okay, y'all, so that's it. I do not recommend people to try this at home, but if you think you got it, then go ahead, shoot for it, aim for the stars, poof. But I did cut off a lot of my hair. This is, well, I wouldn't even say a lot, but this is a star. This is a lot to me. These are my ends. They needed it bad though. Like, these are wow as hell. So that's all my hair I cut off. So yeah, that's how I go about doing that. But like I told y'all, I've been working since I got off of work, and then my hair looks shorter, and I'm finna go cry. So thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and I'm out. Peace.